Hi, Psych friends! Okay, this is a quick video to help walk you through Canvas to help you get to your assignment. Today, we worked on Success Criteria 1. So tomorrow, we're going to work on Success Criteria 2. All right, so you're going to choose the third tab. All right. As you can see, there are 3 scenarios. Your job is to pick one of the 3 scenarios. You are going to open it up. Once you open it, you will see this document. It'll give you the scenario number. It will give you the scenario. You're supposed to read it and identify a perspective of psychology that you see present in the scenario. As you're reading, and once you have identified the perspective, you are to go back and find pieces of evidence or things in the text that alerted you, hey, this is cognitive, or to whatever perspective you identified, okay? Easy peasy. Once you're finished with that, you're going to come back here to Canvas, okay? Scroll down and you are going to click the blue link, Advantages and Disadvantages of Psychological Perspectives. Okay, so today what we did is we started building that very basic surface level knowledge about the 5 perspectives of psychology, okay? Today we're going to start adding more information to that background knowledge, and we're going to concentrate on the pros and cons of each perspective. All you have to do is watch this video. It's a little less than 15 minutes, and for each of the perspectives, you're going to read the little snippet of information, and you're going to fill out this very, very handy-dandy chart. I comprised both of these pieces of the assignment into one Word document to kind of streamline things. This is what that document should look like. It is, again, titled Learning Target 1, Success Criteria 2, Strengths and Weaknesses of Perspectives. Step 1, it just, again, goes over what we just talked about. Pick one of the perspective of the scenarios. Read the scenario, identify the perspective, and put some phrases and keywords in the text that alerted you to whatever perspective you identified. Moving on, step 2, you're going to, again, go to that link that we just went through, the advantages and disadvantages of psychological perspectives. And here is the chart that you can use. See, handy dandy, easy peasy. Once you're finished, email this to me, and you finished! Success! All right, this is easy. This shouldn't take you very long. Once you're finished, email it to me, and freedom! All right, thanks, guys. Bye.